Hi, my name is Roshni Poddar and I'm a pre-doctoral research fellow at Microsoft Research India. I'm happy to share with you a project that's very close to my heart. The project named SEEDS aims to deliver enriching educational experiences to children with vision impairments through the use of technology. Before we delve into the details of SEEDS, let's take a moment to understand the challenges faced by these children today. With approximately 240,000 children, India is home to the world's largest population of children with vision impairments. However, only 20,000 of them attend schools for the blind. While these schools generally provide a nurturing environment to build life skills, they often face several challenges. One of the major challenges is the shortage of trained teachers, which leads to the students not being fully engaged. The lack of braille literate teachers, coupled with the loss of access to school during the COVID 19 pandemic, has resulted in an impediment to the children's academic progress. Additionally, they have limited access to technology and insufficient educational content tailored to their needs. We took the first steps with SEEDS to tackle these challenges. SEEDS stands for Scalable Educational Experiences with Digital Scaffolding. It's a platform designed to provide visually impaired students with educational experiences for meaningful learning. What do we mean by educational experiences? Educational experiences refer to the various ways in which students interact with content. This includes a student reading a story aloud to classmates, a teacher leading group discussions on various topics, or students playing games, either alone or with friends. These experiences transform raw content into valuable educational artifacts, and the more diverse the experiences surrounding the content, the greater its pedagogical value. What sets our approach apart is that these experiences are delivered through feature phones. While feature phones may seem outdated compared to smartphones, they're actually the perfect fit for our target audience. Feature phones have tactile buttons, making it easier for users to navigate without relying on touchscreens. They are also more cost effective, durable, and have a longer battery life. Seeds has three components: an Android app to be used by the teachers to curate content and to share with students, feature phones to be used by the children to interact with content on a call with their teacher and classmates or independently after school hours through an IVR based system, Hexis, a refreshable braille reader developed by Wemby Technologies to enhance their braille literacy. Let's explore the IVR system in more detail. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. When a student dials the IVR phone number, the call is disconnected and the student receives a callback from the server presenting the menu. This method ensures that the student doesn't bear the cost of the call. The student first selects their language and then the theme of the experience. Next, the student selects the type of experience they want, for example, a story, quiz, or a game, and finally the specific title within that chosen experience. Now, let me show you Seeds in action. Raji is using the teacher app here to choose the classroom and students. She selects a Kannada rhyme that is a popular favorite among her kids. She then places a call to her students.
ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳೋಣ.
ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ತಿಮ್ಮ, ವುಲ್ಫ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಹಸು ಮೇಸೋ ತಿಮ್ಮ, ಕೌ ಹಾದಿತ್ತಮ್ಮ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಬರೀತಾ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಬಂತಂತ ಸಾಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ರೈಮಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹೆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಾಯ್.
WOLF wolf.
This demo was an example of a remote teacher which students present together in a classroom. The students can also press specific keys on their feature phones to indicate to the teacher that they have a doubt. This would reflect on the teacher's call screen. This type of setup would be useful for teachers to conduct some classes remotely. Trained volunteers could also conduct playful activities such as storytelling and games to keep the students engaged. The only requirement is that the teacher or volunteer has an internet connection. Group IVR sessions are conducted by connecting a feature phone to a speaker where students can take turns to enjoy various experiences on the IVR system. We observed that this setup facilitates collaboration and competition while playing quizzes and can even provide educational entertainment in the absence of a teacher. Independent IVR sessions is where each student receives a feature phone to access the IVR system independently. We envision this setup as a sort of library period where students can engage with and spend time on experiences of their choice. We carried out these use cases for 8 months with 2 schools for the blind in a city called Bangalore in India to improve the SEEDS platform. Our weekly visits started with physical numeracy games and gradually introduced the various components of SEEDS through planned educational experiences. Through this process, we gathered insights into the type of experiences and content that resonated with the students and made improvements to the IVR system to make it more user friendly. Recently, we reached a significant milestone by conducting a pilot program involving 29 children from 5 schools in Karnataka. Together with the Vision Empower team and dedicated voice actors, we created engaging content spanning themes like senses and emotions, our environment, and families and relationships. Each 40-minute session required about 40 minutes of preparation, including the finalization of experiences with relevant and personalized examples for the students. Over the duration of 130 sessions, spanning about 97 hours, we observed various positive outcomes of SEEDS. The coordinators were happy with the students' level of engagement. According to their feedback, the students learned how to use a feature phone quite easily. The sessions became anticipated events for the students where they remained actively involved, motivated to learn, and had a good time connecting with friends during their calls. They also enjoyed collecting riddles from their families and neighbors for homework, which they then shared and discussed in subsequent sessions. However, these sessions had several challenges. Coordinators had to manage instances where students got disconnected in between calls and needed to be reconnected. Sighted teachers faced a learning curve in understanding student comprehension over the phone as they were used to relying on visual cues from in person interactions. We also encountered occasional call disruptions due to internet connectivity issues, but we successfully addressed this by resorting to regular conference calls when necessary. As we concluded the summer sessions, some students expressed their satisfaction with having learned new concepts and staying connected with their friends. This success was because of the dedicated coordinators, both visually impaired and sighted, who facilitated the summer sessions with great passion and dedication. Our journey stands as a testament to the incredible potential of collaboration and technology. This initiative is a result of a dynamic partnership between Microsoft Research India, the NGO Vision Empower, and the Center for Accessibility in the Global South at IIIT Bangalore. Over the past 4 years, we focused on nurturing computational thinking skills in children with vision impairments through the power of simple physical games. This hands on experience has been instrumental in inspiring and refining the SEEDS platform. Finally, SEEDS is not just about delivering educational content, it's about empowering children with vision impairments, promoting inclusion, and opening up limitless possibilities. We are encouraged by the early outcomes of SEEDS and plan to scale it to reach many more children across the world. Together, we can reshape the education landscape, making it accessible and enriching for all. We would love to collaborate with you. Please reach out to me or my colleague Dr. Manohar Swaminathan if you are interested. Thank you.